In this video, I will share how you can make $1.2 million by showing your link to 679 million people 100%. Wait, my lips are getting dry. Cool stuff. Who invented that? Well, who cares who invented that? I just want to push some buttons and make money. So let's do this. Who invented what? It's a funny question, right? But what if I told you you could make money by knowing the answer to this question? Sounds interesting? Stay tuned. In this video, I will share 6 simple steps and you will learn how to make money like this YouTube channel you can see on your screen. Before I go into further details, you see this channel, Colossal Cranium, is making $1.2 million per year from their YouTube channel, and a lot of their videos are just about who invented what. They have 679 million views, which is a lot, and the best thing, they achieved this milestone within 2 years. Yeah, this channel is just 2 years old, so they're making $1.2 million for talking about who invented what. Well, that's awesome, right? And this income is just from AdSense. They're definitely making far more from affiliate commissions and brand deal. So let's go to step number 1. One skill. Copy and paste free public links. You don't need any special skill. You don't need to be an expert on any topic. No technical knowledge required, and you can make money from anywhere in the world. How good? After you do the copying and pasting, YouTube will promote your videos without you needing to do any marketing. Wait, did I say your videos? Yes. And before you say video creation is too much work, you hate cameras, you hate voiceover, you don't know how to create videos, let me show you how you can make videos in just 2 steps under 3 minutes using my software Epic. You can get Epic from the link in the description. Go get it now, free for our YouTube viewers. Oh, also, the fun part is it can be done from anywhere on the planet, from any country and from any city. You can withdraw your money with PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, any other crypto, or any other digital currency, or bank transfer if you choose. So here you go. Step number 2. It's simple. Before we move forward, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video. This is important. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family, as this way you are helping others learn how to make money online. And yes, you will all get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Done? Let's get into it. Please don't miss a single step till the end of this video, because every step is important, and if you skip any step, you probably won't make money in this system. Step number 3, I will show you how Colossal Cranium went from 0 to making $1.2 million per year, and also how they got 679 million views in such a short time. Go to YouTube and search who invented, and you will see thousands of views on different topics like who invented homework. Funny, right? Who invented school? Candy? Who invented candy? In fact, who invented has around 207,000 monthly searches on YouTube alone, which is huge. 207,000 people are searching for this on YouTube every single month. It means people are curious about who invented different things, different products, and different technologies that we use in our daily lives. Now, as you can see on your screen, these videos have millions of views, and people who made these videos are making a lot of money. Now, let me ask you one question. Who invented these inventions? Engineers, of course. Let's see how much an engineer earns in 1 year. An average engineer in the US earns around $91,000 per year. Isn't this amazing? This is amazing and tragic as well. Engineers invent things and they earn on average of $91,000 per year, but these YouTube channels are making $1.2 million per year or more by just talking about those inventions and who invented what. Here comes step number 4. If you are paying attention, I told you YouTube will promote your videos without you needing to do any marketing. The secret is shorts. So what is shorts? Shorts are videos that are under 1 minute long, and tall videos. They're not wide videos, they are tall videos. YouTube is promoting this new feature called Shorts, and YouTube's algorithm is giving preference to Shorts. Everyone is going crazy with Shorts. See for yourself. Look at this. The moment I searched who invented, all these videos came, right? On mobile. But immediately after 2 videos, you see this? This is called Short feed. Can you see that? Right. And if you closely look at the number of their views, let me tell you, do you know who invented the Rubik's Cube? 328,000 views. Isn't this amazing? Think about it. If you can tap into a fraction of this traffic and make videos around the key phrase that has 207,000 monthly searches, you can make a lot of money. In fact, we make $5 per view on average on our channel. You can imagine how much money they can possibly make with all these views. This is the secret, taking advantage of YouTube's algorithm. Now you're quite clear about how Colossal Cranium channel went from 0 to $1.2 million per year. We basically do the same thing. We make shorts using our software Epic. Link is in the description, by the way. Now let's go to step number 5. But before going to step number 5, let's give you a live example. Let's search for who invented French fries. Oh yes, I got a lot of videos. Look, who invented French fries, French fries, French fries, and we got the short. The first video on the shorts feed, 197 million views. Amazing, right? The second one, 2.7 million views. The third one, 7 million views. Fourth one, 1.9 million views. This is so awesome. Life is so easy. Well, we all love French fries. You can make short videos on exactly the same topic, who invented French fries. And because of the algorithm, your video will start getting promoted by YouTube in no time, and you will get thousands if not millions of views. Just go to Google, search for who invented French fries and pick the best article, and Epic will do the rest for you. Let me show you how easy it is to create a short video using Epic. Click the Create New button to start a project. Name your project, select vertical and click Create. Now Google the topic you want to make videos about. Found this nice article to learn about the topic. Now let's go to Epic, go to the text section, add a little headline text, a little bit of formatting, color, background color, size, fonts, make it nice, and yep, this looks pretty good. Now go to the image section, search on Pixabay for French fries, nice image. Let's format it a little bit, rotate, make it nice, cool. Now I'm finding another image of a person thinking about who invented French fries. Playing with the image, rotation, orientations, just to look nice and match my taste. That's it. Now time to add some voiceover. We will copy this text and use the text to voice feature of the application to create voiceover. So go to text to voice, add a title, select favorite voiceover and click submit, and immediately the voiceover audio is ready. So click the text to audio section, click add, and the audio is added to the clip. Now if I want to add another clip, just click add new, and I can select all these videos that we have already created. All our users have access to our videos. And they can recreate their videos from there as a template. So I'm just going to create a blank new video, but this time I want to use this image. So just copy the image link and paste it here, and boom, the image is automatically imported. So cool, right? Rotate it, place it, replace it, move it. We need a little voiceover for this section, so just copy this text and go to the audio section, or just rewrite it first. Use the AI to rewrite the text because it's not my text, so I'm just going to rewrite it. Done. And I will add another voiceover using text to voice feature. Now on the third clip, just because we know French fries were invented on Belgium, so we will import a Belgium map, get another French fries image. We'll add a little fire image and a little arrow to show the connection. I need a little text, so let's copy from here, rewrite the text using AI and place it on the clip, and a little bit of adjustments of colors, background, size, shapes, positions, and it looks pretty cool. And you guessed right, I'm going to turn this text into voiceover again because it's so easy. Just copy, paste, click, click, done. Now my video is ready. I'm going to click the render button and the video will be created in the background. When the video is ready, we will get notified via email, and then we can download and use that video. And this is how we are going to make money. Oh well, if we are already making money, you can make money. Now let's go to the first and final step. First and final step? Well, my final step is going to be your first step to success. Get your hands on Epic right now. It's free. Link is in the description, and make your video on who invented French fries. Only who invented French fries? No, you can possibly make any videos you want about who invented what. Let's say who invented lip balm. Let me check. I just searched with who invented lip balms. Let's go up, 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 and the shorts feed started. Look at the number of views. 157,000 views. My god. 6.9 million views. Wow. The third one, 1.5 million views. You know the rest. Just go ahead, make your first video, post it on YouTube, and let the algorithm make money for you. You'll start seeing results in no time. I hope you enjoyed this video. We tried to make it entertaining and educational. So please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way not only you are learning how to make money online, you are helping others learn how to make money online. Everybody will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and of course everybody will get access to our softwares 100% free. Go share this video please, and we will see you in the next video.